Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get the Brinly plow on the 1782. I'm going to have it digging in about, I'm going to say, around 4.5 inches. I had to adjust my top link bracket and lower it quite a bit so I could get just enough adjustment on it. I've already had it on the machine and I wasn't happy with it, so I took it off, made some adjustments, and now we're going to do it on film. Now, I know I'm probably going to get some fan mail that I don't do it quite correctly. We have good gravel ground, so I really don't want to get it sunk much deeper than that. But just right along, we're going to put the weight bracket and the weights on the front. I don't want to break this 1782. I really like this machine, so we're going to get it on. Now we're going to jack up the front. Probably ought to buy a new floor jack. Now, I never plowed with a Super before, only that 1864. So, pretty excited about getting in the field with it. I'm gonna have to loosen up that there a little bit. Takes a 15/16. Now let's grease the plow. Now it's time to put the weight bracket on. Put some WD-40 on the sides. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And the next time you see this machine, we're going to have it in the field.